Hello dear learners and welcome back to English class of Pradeep sir. Today we will deal with English second paper for class 11 and 12. Before starting or declaring my lesson today, I will show you a dialogue. Look at the board. There is a dialogue between Karim and Selim. Karim, this is Karim's speech. Karim, you are happy, I think. Then Selim, yes, I am not unhappy. Dear learners, do you notice any difference between the two expressions? Is there any difference? Yes, right you are. Difference in structure, but there is no difference in meaning. Okay, can you guess what may be the topic today? Transformation of sentence. Yes, right you are. From this vast area of transformation of sentence, we will deal with today affirmative to negative and vice versa. At a glance, we will see learning outcomes. After the lesson, we will be able to say the opposite meaning of some words, say the difference between affirmative and negative sentences, transform affirmative sentences into negative, transform negative sentences into affirmative. Okay, let's discuss about the opposite meaning of some words. There are some words you see: punctual, sincere, remember, always, industrious, and smart. Okay, do you know the opposite meaning of this? Yes, this is very simple words. Punctual means late, opposite word means late. Sincere, insincere, yes. Remember, yes, right, you are forget. Always, yes, you are quite right. Always, never, yes. Industrious, lazy. Yes, these are very simple words. Okay, I think you know this and you would be able to use them in the sentences. Notice the sentences below and find out the common feature among them. Dear students, try to find out the common features among them. Yes, in the sentences we see an adjective. Milan is always late. Late is adjective. Adverb also here, always. And in the second sentence, sincere, adjective. The fourth sentence, adverb always. And there is a remember verb, and we know the opposite meaning of this. Seth is very friendly. Here, friendly is adjective. Who should be kind to the poor? Kind. This is adjective. Actually, there are some words which have established opposite word. Okay, in the sentences, at least one word we get which has at least one established opposite word. Okay, there is an adjective in all the sentences. Change the sentences into negatives and one is done for you. First sentence has been done for you. Milan is never punctual at his class. And now you have to change the list 4 sentences. So you can analyze the first one. How has it been changed into negative? Yes, here never has been used for opposite word of always and late. Yes, For late, we have used here opposite word punctual. Yes. So 5 minutes allotted for you to do this. Okay. Okay, look at the answer. We should not be insincere to our studies. I shall never forget you. Yes. Seth is not at all unfriendly. We should not be unkind to the poor. So what have we done here? We only used not with the auxiliary verb and used opposite word of the adjective or verb also. Sorry. Now can you discover the basic structure lying in the sentence? Work in pairs. You have to establish a structure. Okay. You have to draw a conclusion which can be followed to change the sentences like this into negatives. Try yourselves. 2 minutes only. You will get to do this. Okay. Have you done? Okay. Now match with this. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus not. Opposite word of the given adjective plus extension. You everybody raised your hands. That is, you like to say. You put it correctly. Okay. Now work in groups and write some affirmative sentences of universal truth and habitual facts. Now you will write some affirmative sentences of universal truth and habitual facts. Okay. Have you written? Okay. There are all some sentences on the board. You can follow this also. The sun rises in the east. This is a sentence of universal truth. Milk is white, also universal truth. Columbus discovered America. This is universal truth. No. So what is it? Yes, right you are. It is historical truth. Yes. The Titanic sank in 1912. This is also historical truth. The sky is blue, universal truth. Haji Mohsin was a kind man. This is historical truth. So, for the sentences of habitual fact, universal truth and historical truth, we will follow the same rule to change them into negative. The same rules, okay. Can you change them into negative sentences following the same rules? They are the same rules, the rules you followed sometimes back. Okay. The sentence of adjectives or adverb you change into negative following a rule. That rule can be applied here? No. So how this will be changed? One is done for you. The sun rises in the east. Negative of this sentence. Doesn't the sun rise in the east? Okay. Analyze this sentence and try to discover the rule lying here. Okay. At first, what happens here? Auxiliary verb according to the tense. Okay, with not in short form. Contraction. Okay. Doesn't. Then the subject, the sun. Then the verb, V1 without S in the east. Okay. Okay, now change them into negative sentences. I think 4 minutes is enough for you. Have you done? Okay. Now match them with your answers. Isn't milk white? Number 2. Didn't Columbus discover America? Number 3. Didn't the Titanic sink in 1912? Isn't the sky is blue? Wasn't Haji Mohsin a kind man? Okay, you everybody could do this. Okay, this is good. So now discover the basic structure. You have discovered already since you everybody correctly changed them into negative ones. So you discovered the rule. Now you will match with this rule written in the slide. Isn't or doesn't or don't or didn't plus subject plus base form of verb plus extension. You got it? Okay, this is very easy, I think, for you. Yes. Now answer the following questions orally. There are some questions as a evaluation. What have you learned from this class? You have to give answer of these sentences orally. Okay. He is a meritorious boy. What is the negative of this? Can you say? And number 2, the sun sets in the west. Negative. Bangladesh got independence in 1971. He is not unhappy. Number 5, didn't Columbus discover America? You have to change this into affirmative. Okay, what answer will you give for the sentence number 1? He is a meritorious boy. Negative. Isn't you like to say, isn't he a meritorious boy? Yes, you can do this, but a sentence having adjective you can follow the another rule. If there is an established opposite word of this, meritorious. Yes, right you are. He is not a dull boy. Dull, opposite word of meritorious. You can do this, use the opposite word dull, and you also say this, isn't he a meritorious boy? This is also right. Okay, the sun sets in the west. Negative. The sun sets in the west. Yes, doesn't the sun set in the west? Right you are. Bangladesh got independence in 1971. Yes, didn't Bangladesh get independence in 1971? What you wrote? Get or got? Get, yes, right, you are get. Okay. We used here did as an auxiliary. So the main verb will be in V1. V1. Okay. He is not unhappy. Affirmative. Yes, he is happy. Didn't Columbus discover America? Affirmative. What you will say? Columbus discovered America. Yes, right you are. Okay. Right you are. Now homework. Make 10 affirmative sentences and change them into negative ones. You have to make 10 affirmative sentences and change them into negative ones. Okay, thank you all for joining my class. And if you enjoy and learn something from this class, you will share this class with your friends and subscribe the channel YouTube channel English class of Pradeep sir to get the next class. If you search in YouTube writing the name English class of Pradeep sir, you will get the channel, and there are many classes in this channel for you which will be helpful for you. You can watch them. Okay, thank you all.